In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Etihad Miles in 2026, step by step. If you want to start earning Etihad Guest Miles, the first thing to know is that everything begins with the Etihad Guest Loyalty Program. This is Etihad Airways rewards program, and joining it is free. Once you have an account, you can begin collecting miles through flights, travel partners, credit cards, and eligible points transfers. Start by going to the Etihad Guest page on the Etihad Airways website. This is the main place where you can learn how the program works, create your account, and explore the different ways to earn rewards. If you're completely new to Etihad Guest, take a moment to read through the earning options so you understand where your miles can come from and how quickly they can add up. One of the most common ways to earn miles is by flying with Etihad Airways. When you book and take an Etihad flight, the number of miles you earn can depend on a few factors, including the distance you fly, the fare type you purchase, and whether you have elite tier status in the program. In other words, not every ticket earns the same amount, so it's worth checking the details before you book. You can also earn Etihad Guest Miles when flying with partner airlines. Etihad works with more than 20 global airline partners, which means you may be able to credit eligible flights from those airlines to your Etihad Guest account instead of another loyalty program. This is especially useful if you fly internationally or use different carriers throughout the year. Beyond flights, Etihad Miles can also come from travel-related bookings. Hotel stays and car rentals with participating global partners may qualify for mileage earning as well. If you already travel for business or leisure, this can be an easy way to build your balance without changing your routine too much. Just make sure your Etihad guest number is added when you book, if that option is available. Another major earning method is through co-branded credit cards offered by banking partners. These cards can sometimes include welcome bonuses and extra miles on everyday spending, which can help you earn much faster than flights alone. Availability depends on your region, so check which Etihad partner cards are available where you live. Finally, you may be able to transfer points from participating programs, including hotel loyalty programs such as Marriott Bonvoy, into Etihad Guest Miles. This can be a helpful option if you already have points sitting in another account and want to turn them into airline rewards. That's how to get Etihad Miles in 2026 using the Etihad Guest program and its main earning options.